Okay, we took apart this thing. I'm talking about this Lucky the Dragon. This one, I need to get a new one because look, I took this apart. The light's working there. Well, and the problem is, I have no more rings anymore because the wings is this thing, and let me tell you, my problem and issue with this thing is the motor ticking. The motor kept ticking, and so and so this is where it plugs in this motor through there, and I noticed, um, and 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 also if I go right there, this is one of the gears that goes on a motor on this thing that so the wings can move. There's the flat one. There's this one. Its small one goes first to this one to the other one. And there's a bunch of oil on it. I washed my hands before, and this is this is a power wire. So I'm not gonna take off this power wire. So if I put them together, it'll be a dragon without wings anymore. That would be weird if a dragon have no wings. But we want our dragon have wings. Speakers all the way right there. Let me try that. Oh, don't go sleep. So the motor wire's off now. And they have little plastic pieces on them, so they must have gone to something. Yeah, the thing is, we need to get a new one of him. I mean, her. That's the mouth button I just put on. So there's a bit, yeah, there's some problems on him. Her. Did I just took her wire off? No, I did not. I did. Shall we be a great idea if we can see the speaker on her? I don't know if that. I think that would be a great idea. Shall we see her speaker? So I can try to take this whole thing apart, see what object they have, so I can collect circuits. Oh boy, this thing is so. Okay, so we should take her speaker off. Oh, this is a lifter that her eyes can move of this wing, of the wing mechanism with the motor on it. So what I'm gonna do is find a screw right there. Pull my camera down. And if I can screw more, I can actually take off the eyes once because I need to repair one of the lights too. And I don't know what to do with her. I think this is the circuit board. I love her very much. I miss her. I want to get a new one, please. Yeah, let's see how this white light works. I'm always curious, how is this working? The crying sound like.
Sesame Street characters and Sesame Street guitars.
Now you're hungry?
It's a VTech college chat learning code.
That's it.